Hi guys, welcome to my channel and let's discuss the today's Leetcode challenge problem, that is the Toeplitz matrix. So basically we have been given an M into N matrix written true if the matrix is Toeplitz, otherwise written false. A matrix is Toeplitz if every diagonal from the top left to the bottom right has the same elements. So let's understand this with an example. So the question is asking us about that. Let's suppose this is the given matrix, and if this whole diagonal contains the same elements, then it means that the matrix is a Toeplitz matrix. Otherwise the matrix is not a Toeplitz matrix. So let's see this as an example. We can easily able to understand that all the elements in that whole diagonal are same. So it means that this matrix is a Toeplitz matrix. Let's see the another example with this. So here we can see that the element in this diagonal is not same. Here is one and here is two. So this is not a Toeplitz matrix. Alright guys, so let's discuss the solution of this question. So let's suppose this is a given example that is given to us. How we are able to find it out that this is a Toeplitz matrix or not. So one of the trivial approach that we can use is we can iterate in such a way that we iterate to this diagonal and try to find it out if every element is same or not. Similarly, we can do the same with this diagonal, with this diagonal, and with this diagonal, and with this diagonal, and with this diagonal. So this approach is also works fine, but we can able to improve this solution within this existing question. So if we are able to easily understand, we can easily find it out that the element that is, let's suppose we are at a position here in this position. So we have to just check whether the element in this four diagonal are same or not. So I can also say that if the element this is not equals to element uh, greater than this side, that is if I had element is at the position of I and j. If I check whether the element at the position of I plus 1, comma j plus 1 is same or not, then I can able to find out that whether the matrix is a Toeplitz matrix or not. So let's understand how this approach can work. Let's suppose that we have been given this diagonal and the element here is 4. So I can, in the iteration, I can check whether this ij position is similar to this or not. It is same. I can also check by processing this whole diagonal that this element is equal to this or not. I can find it out that this is not equal, so it means this is not a Toeplitz matrix. So how we are able to process this matrix? So basically we go from the first row, we iterate to every element in the first row. Similarly, then the second row, we don't iterate to the last row because we are checking for the ij element and for the elements at I plus 1, comma j plus 1. All right. So this is a very basic approach of this question. Now let's see the solution of this question. All right, guys. So let's discuss the solution of this question. So what we will do basically, we go for the we take the loop for every row, and for the every element in that row, we check whether uh, from the element from the 0 to n minus 1, the length of the row minus 1, and for the column we also do the same, the column of length minus 1. We check whether the matrix at the position of ij is not or equal to is to the element I plus 1 and comma j plus 1. If it's not equal, then we return the false. If all the elements don't satisfy this condition, that it means the element is a Toeplitz matrix and we can return the true here. So that's all for this solution, guys. Thank you for listening.